Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. All of you, please open your cameras. Everyone, open your camera now. Guranshi, you're not coming to school, huh? Yes? Why can't I hear you?
Can you hear me now?
Guranshi, are you there with two devices?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, please open your cameras. Hurry up. Izan, Jilani, Daksh, Sharma, Lavanya, Atulya, Shalima. Not interested in taking the class? Huh? What's the matter? Okay, good. So what was the last thing, children, we did? We are supposed to start with the new syllabus. Syllabus for the...
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Oh, all right. So note down the syllabus for your next UTs.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We'll be having chapter 4 and chapter 5.
Ma'am, only 2.
But in UTs, you get only 2 chapters. 2 or 3. So we'll be having 2 chapters. And not just these 2 chapters, you will have to do a good revision of all the old chapters that we've already done. Because the language is certainly based on the basics, and we are moving forward with more like complex chapters. So you have to have a good knowledge and learning of basics that you've learned in the previous chapters. Okay. Now coming on to page number 47. All of you open page number 47 of your book. No. Yes, 47. That is less. Yes.
Ma'am, we have to start from page number 49.
Yes, ma'am.
We've already done this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful. Page number 49. Now we're going to learn names of fruits and vegetables. Des fruits et des légumes. What is vegetables called in French? What is
Legumes.
it? Legumes. Yes, very nice. It's called legumes. Now, these vegetables and fruits are also categorized gender-wise. Yes, we see the first one. The first.
We have to do this in the book only.
Yes, beta, I'm just reading them out for you all. What you will do is you can write down the pronunciation of these words.
Okay.
Banana. What is banana called? Banana is called
banana.
un banana. It is called un banana. Then apple. Un pomme. Suppose I want to say the apple is red. So what am I going to put? Because with un, I come to know that apple is what? Feminine gender. Now I want to frame a sentence saying the apple is red. What am I going to write? La pomme. Isn't it?
La pomme.
I'm not going to write le pomme. I'm going to write la pomme.
La pomme. Ma'am, because it's of feminine gender.
Yes, because it is feminine gender. La pomme est rouge. What is red? Red is rouge. Okay. La pomme est rouge. Like that. We can frame sentences by knowing the correct gender of the noun. To frame sentences, we are supposed to know the gender of the noun.
Genders of the nouns.
Like now, orange. Now, what is orange called in French?
Oh, orange.
No, it's called orange.
Orange.
An orange.
Orange.
Un mangue. Un papaye. Un raisin. What are grapes called? Raisin.
Raisin.
Yes. Une cerise. Cherries are cerise. Then ananas. Ananas.
Pineapple.
Yes. Un lychee. Une pastèque. Une fraise. Une pêche. Une prune. Now, which fruit is prune? That's
Plum.
Yes.
Plum.
That is plum. And pêche is peach.
Peach.
Une pêche, une prune, and une date. So these were a few fruits given on this page. Just try to read these. Try to read these fruits on your own once again. And if you find any difficulty in the pronunciation, let me know. What you will do is you will write the pronunciation in Hindi or English along with it in the book itself. Write it down. Yes? What, beta? Guranshi, I can't hear you clearly. What are you saying?
Ma'am, we will pronounce peach, une peach.
Pesh. It's pesh. Une pesh. Because CH sound, I have told you, CH sound in French is sh. That is how we write sh se shalgam. Should, shall. In English, we give it a sound of ch, right? Like chair, cheese, like that. But in French, we don't give it ch sound, we give it sh sound. So it's pesh.
Ma'am, what we say orange in French?
Orange.
Orange.
Yes, perfect. Orange.
What we say watermelon in French?
Pastèque. Une pastèque.
And what we pronounce mango?
Mangue. M-A-N-G-U-E. We pronounce it as mangue. Une mangue.
Ma'am, how we will pronounce date?
Date. Une date.
Ma'am, how to pronounce bananas?
Une banane. B-A-N-A-N-E. Banane.
Ma'am, how to pronounce dates?
Une date. D-A-T-T-E. Date.
Even that.
Yeah, une date.
Ma'am, apple, how to pronounce apple?
Une pomme.
And what we
Ma'am, we pronounce papaya as even papaya.
Yes, une papaye. What, Guranchi? What is your question?
Ma'am, how will you pronounce watermelon?
Une pastèque.
Ma'am, how to pronounce orange?
Orange. An orange. N sound being carried with O, the vowel, and we call it as an orange.
And ma'am, how to pronounce mango?
Ma'am, how to pronounce
Mom.
grape?
Yun mom is mango and raisin.
Okay, ma'am.
Je vis les objets de beauté.
Ma'am, cherries.
And ma'am, how
pronounce
to
cherries?
pronounce papaya?
Yun papai. Yun cerise. Just a minute, children. I'm getting a call from school. Okay, done. Yun cerise. Yun mong.
Ma'am, how to pronounce pineapple?
Ananas. It's an ananas.
Ananas.
Yes, ananas.
Ma'am, how to pronounce grape?
Raisin. Raisin. Okay, how many of you like fruits? Do you like fruits? So how
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
say I like fruits? How will you say that? What is I in French?
Ma'am, it is a j.
Ma'am,
No, it is J.
Now, what is the word to like?
Ma'am, no.
Okay, don't know. The verb to like is
Oh.
aimer. Aimer, right? And what do we like? Fruits. So, do we use a verb in its infinitive form? This is the infinitive form. Do we use it like this? No. We always use it in conjugated form. Isn't it? Can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
We always use the conjugated form. So if we conjugate the word aimer with subject pronoun je, what it becomes? It becomes j'aime. M. Oh, it becomes M, right? A-I-M-E. And what happens when these two vowels appear together? We remove this E and put apostrophe in between. And we say j'aime les fruits. That means I love fruits. Okay. Anyone in class who doesn't like fruits? We will frame a sentence. I hate fruits.
No,
Anyone?
ma'am, I love all the fruits.
You love all.
Instead of the muskmelon type of things.
I also don't
All
like
watery fruits, huh? You like all watery fruits.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I like some dry fruits also.
Okay. So it's j'aime les fruits.
And my favorite food is like my grandparents come from US, so they bring a type of grape that is of red color, and its flavor is like cotton candy, pure.
Okay, very nice. Those big red color grapes, round in shape, with big seeds inside, huh? Are you talking about those grapes?
No, ma'am, small seeds in that.
Okay.
Now, how to pronounce lychee?
Lychee. Lychee.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we say I have an orange.
I have an orange. Okay. Have we done avoir verb? Have we done avoir verb which tells us I have, you have, she has?
No, ma'am.
Let me just check. Okay, we have not done. In the coming chapter, in the next chapter, you're going to do avoir verb only. So, to have verb is,
How to pronounce plum?
plum is une prune. Okay, une prune. Avoir is the verb for to have. Now, if I want to use it in my sentences, I will have to conjugate it. Now, how do I conjugate? With subject pronoun je, it becomes je. Je means I have. Right? I have an orange. Je.
Ma'am, how to pronounce strawberries?
Fraise.
Fraise.
Yes, fraise.
How to pronounce date? Date.
Dat. Yun dat.
Ma'am, peach. One.
Yun pesh.
And ma'am, how to pronounce strawberries?
Fraise. Yun fraise.
Ma'am, we will pronounce plum as une prune.
Prune. Prune. It's N, no? Yes. Yun prune.
And we will pronounce mango like mong.
Yes. Mong. Yun mong.
Ma'am, I've written these all the words.
Written
Ma'am, I've
all
also written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we move ahead to the next part of the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the next part is,
Then there are vegetables.
yes, after this we have
Ma'am, it is vegetables.
de legume. Now, what is the pronunciation of all these different vegetables? What is potato called? Potato is called une pomme de terre. Une pomme
From
de
the terre.
terre. Yes. Then, listen to the next one. First, listen all the vegetables. Then write un concombre. Un concombre.
Cucumber.
Yes. Une aubergine. Une aubergine. Un piment. Green chilies are piment.
Oh.
Une tomate. Un chou. Un petit pois. Une carotte. Un chou-fleur. An oignon. An haricot vert. What is haricot vert? Green beans. Vert. Now, V-E-R-T is green color. Vert is what? Color green. And when they say an haricot vert, that is a green bean. Then, un poivron. Capsicum is, bell peppers are poivron. Une salade verte. Again, green salad. And un champignon. That is mushroom.
I can't
Champignon.
find a bell pepper.
Un poivron.
Okay. Ma'am, what is the pronunciation of mushroom?
Un champignon.
Okay, ma'am.
The pronunciation of cabbage is show.
Chou. Yes, un chou.
Ma'am, in this potato, we will write une pomme de.
Yes, une pomme de terre.
And ma'am, how to pronounce peas?
Peas. Now, peas is called pois. P-O-I-S. S in the end is going to be silent. And petit stand for small. Un petit pois. petit pois.
Ma'am, what we call cucumber? Ma'am, what we call cucumber in French?
What
Know
beta?
how to pronounce
Ma'am,
Carrot.
cucumber.
Carrot is une carotte. And
Ma'am, cucumber.
un concombre. Concombre.
Ma'am, how to pronounce onion? Ma'am, how to pronounce onion?
What beta?
Ma'am, he's
Ma'am, how
like
to
onion.
pronounce onion?
Onion is oignon. Now see, in these kind of words where G and N is together, where G and N come together, we put G as silent. Okay? So it is oignon and oignon.
Ma'am, how to
Ma'am, what
pronounce
is the vegetable
brinjal?
after onion?
After onion, beta, it is green beans. The French beans, green beans that we have.
Ma'am, what we say brinjal in
Aubergine. Une
Aubergine.
aubergine. Yes, une aubergine. Children, just give me a minute. I'll be back in a minute. Till then, just revise all these vegetables.
Can anybody tell me how to pronounce potato?
une pomme de terre. Can anybody tell me the pronunciation of un tomato? Un tomato?
Yun tomat.
Okay.
Done?
No, I'm doing.
No,
Ma'am, what
ma'am,
we
can you
call,
please tell me pronunciation of green chilies?
Green chili is piment. Un piment.
Ma'am, how you pronounce cabbage?
Un chou. And cauliflower is un chou fleur.
What do we say? Prune in English.
What?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, how we pronounce the beans?
Beans.
Yes,
An
ma'am.
haricot vert. An haricot vert.
Ma'am, how to pronounce capsicum?
Un poivron. Un poivron. Children, I'll once again repeat. I'll once again pronounce all the vegetables. Please listen to it carefully. Une pomme de terre, un concombre, une aubergine, un piment, une tomate, un chou, un petit pois, une carotte, un chou-fleur, un oignon, un haricot vert, un poivron, une salade verte, un champignon.
I'm done.
My last word is the mushroom one. I want to know as I have done all.
Okay, it's called un champignon. Champignon.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm done.
Done, all of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what you're going to
Ma'am,
do?
we will pronounce.
Yes, we will pronounce.
We will pronounce bean as haricot vert.
Yes, yes. An haricot vert. That is green beans. Now what you're going to do, you're in your copies, you're going to make a line, and on one side you're going to write fruits, the other side you're going to write all the vegetables. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
That is the work to be done. Okay, now how many of you like vegetables?
Ma'am, in the vegetables, I'm such choosy.
I'm little choosy. Okay.
Yes.
But do you like vegetables or you hate vegetables?
No, I didn't hate vegetables. I like them.
Okay.
Well, in this whole, when I didn't like this green chili, brinjal, and the cauliflower.
Okay. So, je déteste les légumes. If you don't like, you hate something, what do you say? Je déteste les légumes. And if you like, what you're going to write? J'aime les légumes. Yes? I like.
all vegetables.
What, Duranshi?
I like all vegetables,
Very good.
including green vegetables.
Including what?
Green vegetables.
Yes.
I like them.
So, if you want to say, I like all vegetables, what are you going to say?
J'aime tous les légumes.
What is the word for all? J'aime tous les légumes. That is, I like all the vegetables. J'aime tous les légumes. Okay?
Now what will you say? Lady finger in French.
What we say?
Lady finger in French.
Okay, ladyfinger in French is called okra. It's called okra. You have heard this word? It's called okra.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
How to pronounce bottle guard?
Bottle gourd. Okay, what is bottle gourd called in French first? We have to find out that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's your favorite? So you're asking, or you don't like it? So you're asking.
No, ma'am. I'm asking because I don't like it.
You're asking?
Because
Ma'am, I'm asking because I don't like it.
Okay, you don't like it.
ma'am, what we call bitter gourd?
Beta, wait. First, what is bottle called? Bottle is botei. We did it in the previous chapter.
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Gourd de botei. That's bottle gourd. Okay. And now
Okay.
what you want to know? Bitter gourd.
Ma'am, bitter gourd.
What is bitter gourd?
Ma'am, I also like bitter gourd.
I will find it out. I will find it out what it is called.
Ma'am, all the vegetables here is my brother's choice. My choice is the junk food.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Good that you're not coming to school. Otherwise, you would have been listed in food defaulters list, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because I doesn't like so many of vegetables, or my mama make vegetable,
Yes,
junk
parents
food.
want children to have healthy food only. Parents want their children to have
Ma'am,
healthy
if you give my brother a Maggie also, he will not eat it. He will
Really?
eat dal, chawal, these things only.
So
Yes,
nice
ma'am.
of him.
Ma'am, as he has asthma also, that's why also he has to
Huh?
eat. Ma'am, he has asthma.
Okay, he's got asthma. All right, so here children, I think we are done with today's lecture. We learned so many vegetables and fruits.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we learn these and then you take a small type of fun test? So we
Yes,
will
yes.
name vegetables.
Yes, I'm going to
Because
name these
that's
vegetables in French and you have to tell their English names.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you have to guess the vegetable. what I'm
Ma'am,
talking
in
about.
next page, there are more countings after 20.
Yes, now till 100 and then after 100 you will be able to do counting till thousands. This is how you
Yeah.
learn. Just by learning till 100, till 1000 you will be able to do it by yourself. Okay. So that's all for today. Bye to all of you.
Okay. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.